3046R tractor is a 3 Series. It has 46 horsepower and it is an R spec. So now at the back of the tractor we have our iMatch hitch system, which works with all Category 1 implements. So currently we have a box blade on, but anything that has a Category 1 hitch attachment, so your box blades, your cutters, your mowers, your tillers are all going to work. Additionally, back here we have our SCV attachment, which means that all of your attachments that have hydraulics this is what's going to allow these two to communicate back and forth properly. Down here is our 540 PTO. And moving up here to our fuel tank, this is a diesel tractor. All of our 3 Series tractors are diesel, and we can tell because it's got a green cap. So with Deere products, green is diesel, and a black fuel tank means it's gas. So on all of our 3 and 4 Series tractors, we can add cabs. In this case, we have our premium cab. So now we're at the front of the tractor and we're onto the hood. So our hood is made of polymer material, which is rust and dent resistant. So what's unique about our John Deere cut tractors is that our wheelbase is closer together, and this allows for a tighter turning radius. So what you'll notice about our loaders at John Deere is that the bucket is a lot closer to the tractor, which allows for more heavier lift capacity. So on this tractor, the R-Spec comes with rubber mats here, tilt steering, which allows you to adjust the steering and set it to what you want, cruise control and auto throttle, and you get an air seat and a 12-volt plug-in over here. Thanks for listening to me today. Come into your local Pattison Ag dealership and check out our tractors.